this guy's hit like Diamond or Champ just off how he's moving. Like, you can just tell, bro. Really good wall bang. Like, that's a kill half the time. Yeah, this guy's hit Champ. I could just tell by how he's moving. And his pre-aims are so good. Bad flash, but it's okay. That one was good. Anticipates the flank. Baits the flank. Okay. That was... Alright. Shooting those 3 bullets right there might not seem like a lot. That was the smartest thing he could have did in that scenario. This guy's good. Under. He heard him. Okay. That's the best clip of the day. I'm not even trolling. That's the best clip of the day.